Hey YouTube, it's Cole. Happy New Year. It's the first day of January 2019. I did my second shot on tea yesterday, and um, my voice is deeper to me, but I think that's because of sleep deprivation, because on New Year's Eve, um, I was working on Sunday. Monday was New Year's Eve, and we didn't have enough staff to come in. So I got frozen in for a 16-hour shift. So my sleep is all off. But I did my second shot yesterday. Nothing really big for changes for first week, but I am on the lowest dose. So um, I tend to be able to overthink things a lot. But I did notice that my muscles just feel more solid. Like my biceps, and I haven't been to the gym. I haven't been working out, so there's that. This review is more really of an unboxing video. As a disclaimer, I want anyone to know this: family, friends, general public. If you do not want to hear or do not want to see, male prosthetic, meaning a penile prosthetic, then do not stick around and watch. This is not for sex. This is for female to male dysphoria, especially for those men who have not had a phalloplasty. So that's what's going to happen in this review. So if you are uncomfortable, leave now. Go away. If you're still here, then you must not be uncomfortable, and let's talk about this. So I ordered a Gen 2 Sleek? Yes, a Gen 2 Sleek 4-in-1 from Freetom Prosthetics. And obviously there was holidays and stuff in between, so they didn't get there it wasn't that quickly, but it was still here in a week. So I was really happy about that. And packaging is really, really discreet. Just comes in the standard box. And the label, I actually have a picture I'm going to put in so it covers my information. But it just says Freetom Warehouse. Doesn't say anything about what's in it, so that's awesome. Once you open it, the box contains a care card for how to care for your prosthetic, and things that it's used for. So a 4-in-1 is generally used for packing, peeing, playing, and pleasure. I will not be using mine for the playing side of life. The pleasure for myself, maybe, but I actually I don't want to try to use this for that. This, for me, I purchased it mostly for the packing and the STP feature. So let's get down to business. So it comes in its own bag, and if it was for a play with partner, it comes with this rod. As you see, I have not even taken it out of the bubble wrap because I don't plan to use it. I got mine in a warm rosy tone. Let's see, I can pull out my skin. So I'm just kind of, I'm a little olively toned in some places, but as it's supposed to be a couple shades darker than your skin color, I went with warm rosy, and I'm glad I did because it really, it's a good match. I like the way that it works. It looks nice with my skin tone, so that's positive. So I'm gonna show it on camera. It's a 5-inch length. And I'm not sure if that's 5 inches from the back of the prosthetic to the tip of the head, because I have a hard time believing it's 5 inches from the bottom of the shaft to the head. But it's also kind of covering cat fur because I have a cat. I hear the painted ones aren't as sticky, but my budget was not for a painted one. I do like the detail on it, even not being painted, but it is sticky. So, we're gonna have to deal with that. So let's get down to business. So this is the sleek 5-inch Gen 2 4-in-1 from Freetom. And one of the reasons I bought it was because of the size of the balls. They're not huge, but they give you that, like, I got balls thing, you know. And they're pretty good for detail. I was impressed. I like that they're actually part of the funnel, so that, like, they're just not taking up space in my pants, because 5 inches is more than I've had to pack with before, but I like the way it looks, so there's that. I'll show you the shaft. It's got, like, the veins, and, you know, really realistic to me. You know, they're not, like, looking blue or anything, but nobody should be, like, taking an up-close look at my junk while I'm going pee. So, I mean, I think it's realistic enough that when I stand up to, like, use the urinal, that nobody's gonna be saying anything because nobody's looking. And if they see it out of the corner of their eye, they're not gonna be like, oh shit, something's wrong with his dick. So, that's good. Something that's gonna take work for me is, like, actually getting this to, like, open to pee. It's like a squeeze thing, but if you squeeze too far back, it doesn't open. And you have to be careful, because if you squeeze too tight, you're gonna, like, close off the hole here. So, you know, it's gonna take some practice. It's gonna take some work. I do like that the funnel is, like, really big. I like that I have all this space, because I am of the generation of the medicine spoon, and that was a mess, and it was hard, and it was really difficult to actually be able to do your business through a teeny-tiny little plastic medicine spoon. So I'm really excited for this. This is a big purchase for myself, and I'm really happy about it. As far as pleasure for myself goes, once there's some growth down bottom, which really there hasn't been, that's what these are for. This like stuff here. So we'll see how that works once I have some growth. I did put it in my rodeo underwear yesterday, and to, like, see how it looks and see how it feels, and it feels great and it looks great. It doesn't, like, it packs well. It doesn't give me that, like, hey, I'm happy to see the world kind of thing that I was afraid of with, like, other underwear. And like I said, the skin tone to my tone is really good. And yeah, once I wear it and use it for a while, I'll give you an actual, like, overall review on my feelings on it, and then that'll be that. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful, healthy, and happy 2019, and have a wonderful New Year's Day, and I'll catch y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.